In this tutorial, you will learn how to use DataSort in Microsoft Excel. DataSort in Excel is a feature that allows you to organize data in a specific order based on one or more columns. If your column has text values, it will allow you to sort alphabetically in ascending order or descending order. If column has numeric values, it allows you to sort small to large or large to small. It can also give you option to sort according to custom sorting list. Let's learn how do we do this. Here in this example, I have a simple data of students and their mark obtained details. To sort the data, first, select your data. Then click on Data tab. Then Sort. Now, here in Sort By, choose the column based on which you want to sort your data. Let me select Student Name column here. In the Sort On, you have multiple options to select from. These are Cell Values, Cell Color, Font Color, and Conditional Formatting icon. Let's select the cell values. Now in the order, select whether you want A to Z or Z to A order or custom list. Let's take here A to Z. Now click OK. Here you see, the data is sorted alphabetically in ascending order. Let's make some font color red here in Student Name column. Now select the data. Click on Sort tool. This time in the Sort On, take this font color. Now in this order, select the red color. Here in this drop-down, you have on top or on bottom option. Let's take on bottom. Now you see, the names with red color are kept at the bottom of the data. If you want to sort your data by marks column on smallest to largest order, click on Sort tool again. Change the column to Mark Obtained. Select Cell Values and Sort On. Select smallest to largest order here. Then click OK. Here you see, marks are now sorted on smallest to largest sequence. So, this is all about the basics of DataSort in Excel. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to sort data based on custom order by creating a custom list. This much for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Request you to subscribe this channel if you are new here. See you in next tutorial.